Yeah, I'm glad that you pointed out the gender aspect of this, because that is something that I think goes along even with that viral video. Yes, this was a mother who was recorded in that. She did get arrested. There were charges that were attached to that. She got probation. And then she had this comeback story because she was still a reality TV star. She was going to be the next Bachelorette, despite those allegations, despite what had happened in the criminal world. Perhaps they didn't know about this video before it was leaked and how the public was going to react to that, even though it was recorded 3 years ago. But do you think this would have been completely different if she were a man who had been in that video? You mentioned that a little bit, but especially adding that layer of she is someone who is celebrity. She's celebrated.
Yeah, I think her celebrity would have hurt her. I think it would have been different if it was a man, but it should be different if it was a man, because a man could actually really, truly, like, he could kill a woman by throwing a chair at her. A woman, she's way less force. It's like a child throwing a chair at you. I mean, in terms of physically speaking, right? So it would be different if it was a man. It should be different if it was a man, because, it's very difficult for a female to do severe harm throwing a chair. Throwing a knife is different, right? Shooting a gun, it doesn't matter what your gender is. You're going to kill somebody if you shoot a gun. But at the end of the day, it would have been different. And yeah, I mean, her comeback story, all of that, I get it. But still, it's still significant that a judge is still holding the father as the primary custodial parent, even after finding domestic violence, which shows me that this judge really does, seeing something in her demeanor that he knows is going to translate outside of the courtroom. He even said you can't insult each other on social media, right? That's just typically like boilerplate language in these orders, but this judge made it a point to do that because he knows that this is different. She has a big platform and she could really destroy this man's life. Just think about how much she could destroy his career. If he's just a mortgage broker, if he's just a real estate agent, if she's out there and everyone in the country, she gets them to hate him, his life is over and he has no recourse. So it's significant.